Hi, this is Jen. If you don't already know me, you can follow me at Jen in South Tex. I love to try all the things. I try all the hacks, the weird new things that come out. I'm a big lover of lashes, and today I'm gonna try something that's kind of like something that I've already been doing, which is I take my strip lashes, cut them into sections, and then I glue them underneath my natural lashes. Sometimes I do this with little section lashes called a wisp, and then other times I just take my favorite lash and cut it up and make magic happen. So a while ago I saw a product out there that had little lash sections. It had a bonder, sealer, and a special tweezer, and it's called, I'll just say it, it's called Lashify. And I thought it was a great idea, but I didn't love the price of it, and I didn't love their website, and just, yeah, didn't try it. Then I started getting ads for Kiss Falscara. I have their volumizing set. This comes with 5 little sections of lashes for each eye. This is supposed to give you more dramatic volume. It comes with the double-ended bond and seal in one tube, and then this is the little applicator. I also got the set in lifting, and this is lengthening. So here we go. I'm gonna try volumizing today. So are you guys ready? I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna put it on for the first time. You'll see my very first reactions and find out if this was easy, hard, worth it. Should you try it? We'll find out. Make sure you hit subscribe because I wanna be friends, I wanna get to know you, and I appreciate you. And let's get to it. Okay, so I'm opening our starter kit. All the things that are in the kit I saw on their website that you can buy separately, so you don't have to buy the whole thing every time. I only happened to get these on accident, but in any case, you only need one starter kit. After that, you can buy individual lashes as well as the tube of bond when yours runs out. Okay, so again, I'm diving into the volumizing set. Honestly, the length on all of these is pretty long. I generally like a really natural lash, and these are just a little bit more, but I'm extra, you know, I'm an extra girl, so it's fine. Okay, so these come out of the package just like that, so you can see them better. And then they have all the tools that you need. Okay, I don't see instructions. Is it on the box? Okay, brush a light coat of bond on your natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Use the applicator to pluck the wisp from the tray. Place it on the middle outer end for optimal application, and one by one place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. Then seal the deal, dab on a thin coat of seal under the wisp. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds the wisp in place. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I should note is it comes in this little plastic thingy, and I think you're supposed to remove this cover to reveal the lashes. See how those are kind of held down and these are not? I'm nervous. So the packaging says, if you can mascara, you can Falscara. So we're gonna find out. Let me check the time. Okay, let's see how long this takes. Okay, so it doesn't really say how much you're supposed to use. So I'm just gonna make it like a light coat of mascara and then make sure that I coat my natural lashes. So I'm having to get like in between my real and false lashes. Okay. Easy enough. Okay. So I'm going to pull off a section of lashes so you can see what I'm working with. And okay, so I'm not supposed to put any adhesive on this part. All right. Ooh, it's really sticky. Okay. Got it. All right, very sticky. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the applicator, you can see a little black on there. I was trying to just stick it and I didn't realize the applicator would actually kind of stick to my lashes so much. But I got placement just fine. And, oh my gosh, it's very sticky. It's very sticky. It's stuck to my eyelid. Oh my. It's stuck to my eyelid. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now I don't know if I'm supposed to put the seal on after each section or when I'm done, but it seemed like that was like the last thing. So I'm just dealing with the stickiness right now. Okay, moving on. Okay, so the only part that seemed kind of problematic, and I'm wearing 3 of the 5 that it comes with for each eye. I think I'm only going to need 4 tops. The only part that seems problematic so far is, like, if you look right at my lash line, see how those don't line up exactly? So maybe I'll have time to adjust and play around with it. Oh my goodness, this is looking a little crazy. Okay, so that one did not stick where I wanted it to. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, this is a hot mess right now. Okay. Like, what is happening here? What's happening here? Okay, I can fix that though. All right. We're just gonna gently, we're just gonna redo that one because it wasn't super stuck. So here we go again. Okay. The tip on these is rounded, so I'm feeling confident having it near. Okay, so really quick, this is something that is not in the instructions, but I have seen it on like a competitor's commercials or ads. So I'm using the tweezers to kind of, now that I have them where I want them, I'm just crimping. I'm going press, 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 okay? So that they're melded in with my natural lashes. And again, I only used 4 sections. I don't have big giant eyes, so I won't be needing that extra piece. So now that I have it on, I'm going to seal it and we're gonna get the other eye done and get going. Okay, so this is, I'm interested to see if this is white or clear. Looks clear, okay. So then we just go over with the seal to remove stickiness is what it says. I feel like I need to be doing this to like the other side of my lashes because this side is quite sticky. Off camera, my lashes were sticking to my eyelids and I was peeling them off. So I'm actually starting at the top and kind of brushing it down my natural lashes because I don't want my lashes sticking to my eyelids, or if I put on eyeshadow, I don't want it to stick. Okay, this is not bad. But so far, I'm feeling good about this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and get going. Okay, so the bond, I was saying, it is black, so you need to be careful not to get it on your face while you are busy trying to make sure that your lashes are fully coated. I feel like now that I've done this the first time, I can go a little bit faster.